You want to record a Zoom meeting? Well, you're in the right place because that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. My name is Ollie. I create videos here on YouTube all about online business, content creation and personal finance. So if that sounds like a bit of you, please go ahead and smash the red subscribe button to never miss an upload from me. First, open up your Zoom application on your Mac or PC. Head over to the preferences tab so we can make sure all of the settings are correct. Go to the recording tab and this is where you will decide where your video will be stored once you finish recording. You can see here that I have it set up to go into my folder which is called Zoom. Now you have that set up, you want to go and head into a Zoom session, so invite your guest in. Break the ice with your guest. How's the weather in London? It's shit, mate. Let them know when you're about to start recording and do a nice little countdown and simply hit the record button at the bottom of the window. When you're finished the session, stop the recording by pressing the same button in the same place. Zoom will only start to save the recording when you finish the session, so please bear that in mind. And that is you done. If you want to learn how to edit your Zoom videos to look more professional for social media or for your website, go and watch this video here. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it valuable. If you did, make sure you smash the red subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Hollywood 6.